my name is Freedom. How to generate 3D avatar by using the Headshot 3 plugin, just by using a piece of picture reference with all the body shape. You can see this is the final result that I generated just by using the Headshot 3 plugin. And this is my original image with the body shape reference. I'm going to show you the whole workflow, how to make it. The first step, prepare your photo, prepare your own picture, something like this. And everything start from beginning, from the CC5, the Character Creator 5 with Headshot 3 plugin. The first step, what you need to do is drag and drop it into here. And then you need to go to the image generator, so you can just close it first. Go to the AI image generator. Then you can see your reference picture is already here, because of just now you already drag and drop. If not, you can just drag one more time into here. And then the first step, you have to select enhance the image and remove the hair. Then next step, before the body and the side, you click generate image and wait for a while. It is going to generate a headshot picture with just the face only. Now you can see it done. It already generated a fresh new headshot picture according to the original picture. And next, what we need is the body. We are going to generate the body as well. So what you need to do is just scroll up until you can see the side and the body. Click the side and the body. Generate according to this photo. Choose the slim, female, normal. And then we want to include the side and also the body. Click generate image. It is going to generate both of them together. It will generate the side headshot picture and also the body picture. Now it's done. You can see it already done. Now it's the time to apply the images. You can just scroll down until you can see the front, side and body, both of these front, side, body are selected. Then click apply images. Once you click apply images, it will just take all of these images as reference, the front, side and body. You can see. Select the slim, female, normal, it according to the type of the image that generated, the head, all of this. Of course, you can select some of the variables here, but as demo, I'm going to just leave it as normal. Go to the body and click generate. Now you just need to wait for a few seconds. The Character Creator 5 Headshot 3 AI plugin is going to generate the whole 3D avatar according to these 3 image references that you generated just now. Now it's done. We can just have a check. Now we can close the AI image generator and have a check. The whole body and also the face and the head also, it already get generated. But something that we need to do some manual adjustment is here. We check the original image reference here. The hip need to be wider. The hip. We can just check for the morph here. Under the body, go to the hip and delete the presets here. The hip scale, we can just make it bigger so that it can fit to the original image. It is matched. And next is the waist. The waist, the abdomen scale, you can just make it smaller. So now you can see it is exactly same as the picture. And the rest we may just adjust the chest scale, not here, sorry, Control Z, the breast scale, and also here the glute scale, you can make it bigger if you want. So now it's better. Check back the original one. The chest a little bit bigger. Wait. The chest scale, adjust until it is same as the original photo. Done. Next, we are going to give her the hairstyle. We can just go to the content, under the hairstyle. We can just choose it from here under the hair group. Double click. For any of the hairstyle that you want to give it to this new 3D avatar, you can just choose from here. As long as it is suitable, then it's fine. Alright. Now finally, we already make this 3D avatar according to the image reference by using the Headshot 3 AI plugin. And we are also using the AI image generator that provided in Headshot 3 plugin. Finally, we already created a fresh new 3D avatar according to the image reference and also the body shape from the image reference. It is really easy to generate a new 3D avatar according to a photo. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials and workflows about how to generate a 3D avatar for your games and also the 3D animation by using the Headshot 3 plugin in Character Creator 5, the CC5, and this is the whole workflow. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you love my 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing tutorials. See you in my next video.